In this video, I'm going to show you how to distort an image in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and make sure the image you want to work with is imported into your canvas. Select the Move tool from the left-hand toolbar and make sure that transform controls are enabled from the top options bar. This will allow you to see the bounding box around your image, which you can use for resizing and distorting. With your image layer selected, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform and a side menu will appear. In that menu, click on Distort. Once Distort is selected, you will notice that the corners of your image become adjustable handles that you can click and drag. To distort your image, click and drag the corner handles. Adjusting these corners will stretch and skew your image, creating the distortion effect. You can move each corner independently to achieve the perspective or shape you want. Avoid using the side handles, as they will mainly resize the image rather than distort it. Focus on manipulating the corners to get the best result. Once you are satisfied with the distortion, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the transformation. You can experiment freely until the image looks exactly how you want. This method gives you full control over the shape and perspective of your image, and this is how you can distort your image in Photopea.